Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Helium Bar, one of the leading helium hotspot mining platforms that offers you helium mining capacities in different ranges. As always, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you will be the first one that gets to see the new videos. Having said that, let's dig in and see what this platform is all about. So basically, Helium Bar's mission is to make helium mining as easy and fast for everybody. So instead of actually purchasing a real miner and waiting so many months for it to arrive so you can actually start mining, this platform offers you the option of renting miners and start earning immediately. For those of you who are not familiar with Helium, Helium is basically a decentralized blockchain-powered network for Internet of Things or IoT devices. It was launched back in July 2019, and basically the Helium mainnet allows low-powered wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across its network of nodes. Now, these nodes are in the form of so-called hotspots, which are a combination of a wireless gateway and a blockchain mining devices. To operate nodes, thus mine and earn rewards in Helium's native cryptocurrency token HNT. The current price of HNT on CoinMarketCap is $22.93. Now let me show you which are the ways that can help you earn Helium through Helium Bar. First of all, we are going to talk about the plans the platform has to offer, which are these right here. And as you can see, we have multiple choices to choose from, but I am just going to go for the $60 one for the sake of this video and also for an upcoming payment proof video. Each of these plans are available for 365 days, and of course, the higher the price, the more advantages you get. The second way of earning through this platform is by sharing your referral link to your friends, and you will receive a 7% commission for every sale your referral makes. I will leave my referral link in the description down below so you can use it to get started on this platform. Now, to be able to earn with Helium Bar, the first thing you need to do is create a new account, which is a very easy thing to do. You just click on register and you fill in some personal information, and that's about it. Then you will receive a code on the email you signed up with, and all you have to do is introduce the code and then your account will be set up. I'll just quickly log in so I can show you guys how it looks like inside and also talk you to the process of purchasing a plan. And this is how your account should look like. Now, before purchasing the plan, we firstly need to deposit some cryptocurrency because this is how we are going to pay for the plan. And to do that, we need to go to deposit, click on deposit now, then click again here on deposit now, enter the amount that we need, in our case is 60 USD, hit confirm, and then it will take you to this page of payment preview. You will click on pay now. And if you look right here, you can see all of the accepted coins as a payment that you can use. You can either pay with Coinbase, or if you already have some crypto stored in your own wallet, you can just pick the cryptocurrency you want to pay with and pay with your own wallet. To decide on paying with cryptocurrency, all you have to do is choose the one that you want to use and just click on it, and you will see that the contract address will be there for you to use it in order to send your money on the platform. Now let's talk a little bit about the deposit fees that you will have to pay and also the return of investment. As you can see, I made a list full of the deposit fees that you will have to pay according to the coin that you decide to use to pay for your plan. My investment was made with DAI after seeing that BTC had a pretty huge deposit fee, like $23. As you can see here as well, I did a little screenshot. It's kind of a lot. So I went with DAI, even though I had like cheaper options, but I did the math after purchasing the plan, so that's kind of on me. But of course, you can use BTC. I'm not advising you that you shouldn't. You just do whatever you think it's right. Now we are looking at the return of investment, and what I basically did here was I took the data from the website and made some estimations about the price of HNT and the return of investment on this. So I entered the price of each of these plans, then I entered the minimum and maximum daily return of HNT that you can earn per day with that plan. And then I calculated how many dollars I get by converting the HNT that I earn according to the plan that I choose and the price of HNT. And this is the return of investment in days per each plan, and also according to the price of HNT. Now, the price of HNT today on 1st of September 2021 is around $23. So you can see the return of investment for that here. So this is how many days it's going to take you to get your investment back. I strongly believe in this project, but this is just my opinion, guys, and none of this is financial advice. So you should do your own research and math and find out if it's a good investment or not. And lastly, I just want to head over to Trustpilot so I can see what type of reviews they got and the ranking they got from Trustpilot. So let's just type in Helium Bar. Oh, and as you can see, they have a 4 stars out of 5, which is pretty good, 3.8. Of course, the reviews are mixed, but I believe that if you really want to know if a thing is legit or not, you should just try it out safely, guys, and see if it's worth it. Or you could simply just like this video and click on that notification bell, also subscribe so you can see that payment proof video upcoming soon. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.